Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back with another Snapchat video. Today I'm going to show you how to put Crocs on your Bitmoji. So what we want to do is tap on this icon right here, and that's going to take us to our profile screen. From here you can just swipe down or tap on the character's image there. And it's going to give you some more options. What you want to do is tap change outfit. From here you're going to get a bunch of different options. I saw a lot of people are searching for like the Santa hat and Christmas options lately, so you can get that here as well. What you want to do is tap over to the right until you get to footwear, and now you can see there's a new section, a partnership with Crocs. So they have a few different options here. They got the plain, the camos. Up here in the top right you can change the color to get like a pink camo. They've got tie-dye, and then they got some of these other ones with gibbets on them. So I'm just going to go to the base model. You can get lots of different color options here. Pick whatever color you want. I'm going to stick with the white Crocs, and then just tap save in the top right corner. And there you have it, your Bitmoji will be wearing Crocs. Can anyone tell me why this Bitmoji looks different than this one? I truly don't understand. But anyways, there's how to do it. There's how to get Crocs on your Bitmoji. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.